In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change picture transparency in PowerPoint. This is a handy skill to have, whether you want to create a subtle background image or emphasize text over a photo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to adjust the transparency of an image. The very first step is to select the image you wish to make transparent. Simply click on the picture or object on your slide, and you'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. Great! Now that your image is selected, take a look at the top toolbar of PowerPoint. You'll spot a tab labeled Picture Format or just Format, depending on your version. Click on that tab. This will expose various tools related to image editing. Remember, if the image is not selected, this option might not appear, so make sure you've clicked on your picture first. Next, you want to find the section labeled Adjust. Here, you should see a button that says Transparency. Go ahead and click on that Transparency button, and you will be greeted with a drop-down menu. Now, here comes the fun part. A grid of preset opacity options will pop up, showing you a range from fully opaque to maximally transparent. You can choose any of these presets by simply clicking on it, and trust me, you'll notice the change immediately. This is an efficient way to apply transparency without needing to fiddle too much. But what if you want more control over the transparency settings? No worries, PowerPoint has you covered. If you need precise control over the opacity percentage rather than sticking with a preset, follow the same steps to open the transparency menu. While you're in that drop-down, look for an option labeled Picture Transparency Options at the bottom. Click on that. By clicking that option, you'll launch the Format Picture pane on the right side of your PowerPoint window. Here's where you can get detailed. Under the Picture Transparency settings, you'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the opacity level precisely. You can simply drag the slider to find a transparency level that suits your needs. If sliding isn't your style, there's another trick. You'll see a box where you can manually enter a specific percentage, ranging from 0% to 100%. For example, entering 50% will leave your image half transparent. Adjust the percentage to your heart's content and find that perfect look for your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, you can close the Format Picture pane. Now take a step back and observe your slide. Adjusting the transparency of images can really transform the aesthetics of your presentation, making it more visually appealing and professional. And that's a wrap. You've just learned how to change picture transparency in PowerPoint. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can elevate your slides. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks for watching, and happy